Hi everyone! Join me today for a relaxing breathing practice to help you unwind and prepare for a good night's sleep. Stand up nice and tall, unlock your knees, and tuck your tailbone in to relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders, and take a moment to mentally reach upwards through the crown of the head. Begin by rubbing your hands together. This helps to balance the heart and release excess energy from the heart center. Then gently massage between the fingers. Then take it to the back of the hands. Then dry wash your hands, taking the warmth all around. Relax your hands by the side. Next, we do toe raises. Simple toe raises is a great and efficient way to guide the excess energy away from the head and down into the body. From here, slowly guide your hands to place on the lower abdomen. We're going to do the abdominal breathing. Inhale, let your belly expand into your hands. Exhale, slowly pull the belly in. Breathe in as you expand. Breathe out as you pull in. Breathing in and out the nose, notice how your breath enters your nostrils, traveling down your throat and into the lungs. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Release your hands down. Staying fully focused on your breath. Raise your hands up. Exhale as you sink down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep the movement slow and natural and your breath relaxed. Visualize as if a big wave raising your hands up. Exhale, let the wave go down and into the ground. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Then expand your hands to the side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue moving up and down, finding a way to link your breath to the movement. Breathe in. Breathe out. Begin to soften and let go of tension. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. From here, go ahead and lean to the side. Inhale. Exhale, return to center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Every time you inhale, feel the expansion in your rib cage. Every time you exhale, feel it relaxing. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Keep the movement slow and natural. Lessen your effort and simply enjoy the flow. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. From here, turn to the back, twisting from your legs. Your eyes follow the hands. Inhale as you turn to the back. Exhale as you return to center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your spine nice and straight, twisting from your feet and your legs. Breathe in. Feel free to lift your heel if you want that extra turn. Otherwise, keep your feet firm on the ground. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your hands by the side. Then take a nice deep breath in, guiding your hands to your lower abdomen. We're going to do the reversed breathing technique. Inhale as you pull the belly in. Exhale as you soften and let all the muscles relax. Breathe in. Keep your breath soft and natural. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Stand up straight. Then slowly move your hands to the lower back. Continue with the reverse breathing technique. Now inhale, pull your belly in. Exhale into your lower back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Every time you inhale, pull the belly in. Every time you exhale, feel the expansion into your lower back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Stand up straight. Keeping your hands on your lower back. Go ahead and push forward. Open your chest to the sky. Look up. Release the position. Go forward, keeping your back nice and flat. Slide down the back of your legs as low as you wish. Let your hands relax down. Continue the movement on the inner leg. Slowly raise up. Go ahead and repeat. Release the position. Let your hands brush your toes and take a moment to lengthen through your spine. Slowly raise up, guiding your hands to the lower abdomen. Continue the movement, push forward, look up. Remember to stay relaxed and lessen your effort. Make sure you can still breathe throughout every movement. Go forward and down, getting that good stretch at the back of your legs, in your lower back as well, before you raise up. One more time, move to the back, open, look up, release, go forward. Take a moment to stretch your spine and slowly stand up. Relax your hands by the side and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then take a nice deep breath in, come up on your toes, bounce and exhale, creating that subtle vibration throughout your body. Breathe in. Exhale as you soften, let all attention simply drain down and escape safely. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out, guiding your breath and awareness down the center of your body and into your lower abdomen. Slowly close and take a moment to concentrate on yourself, on the sensations you have in your body and the present moment. Bring your feet together and finish your practice.